high. Remember, like a few months ago, everybody was saying that BLHeli 32.8 variable PWM frequency will be so amazing because it will give you nice resolution at high throttle and a lot of torque on the low throttle. And yes, we are waiting very much for this to happen. And then it was quiet. After the official BLHeli 32.8 was released, I think I only saw one real review of the thing. Joshua Bardwell made a video about variable PWM frequency, and then it really got quiet. And I think I know why it just got quiet and nobody really talks about this feature. Because I'm currently in the process of tuning a new quad, new flight controller, new ESC 60 amp Foxy Reaper or something like that, with the Z's flight controller, new motors, brand new frame of my design. And I just quickly set up everything, went to the BLHeli configurator, flashed the latest BLHeli, set the variable PWM frequency between 24 and 48 kilohertz and went flying. And since the beginning of my adventure with this quad, I felt that there is something wrong with the noise characteristic. Something was getting through on the pitch axis. I was not really able to filter this thing out. And yeah, after flying 8 lipos, I managed to set up the tune in a way that it was fine. But it was always something like at certain position of the throttle, but not always, there was a strange bobbing happening, like something for a fraction of the second went into the resonance and then stopped, and it was great again. And I found out what the problem was. Today, with the last pack, with the last lipo, I just quickly went to the BLHeli configurator again, checked the variable frequency range, just moved the slider, both slider to 24 kilohertz, flew on pack, and guess what? Problem solved. This strange, I don't want to say vibration, because yes, it was recorded by the gyro as the vibration. It was rather this moment in the flight when the quad was bobbing instead of keeping the altitude is completely gone. Everything made super smooth, no problems, absolutely, like single change. Variable PWM on and off with back to the 24 kilohertz, and it's a completely different quad in the air. So maybe that was the reason. Well, it has to be a reason, because this was the only change I made before of the 2 flights. And yeah, so please check if you have variable PWM on and sometimes something vibrates and you feel that it might be slightly smoother than it is right now, go to the BLHeli configurator and just disable this thing. Just for test, set either 24 kilohertz static PWM frequency or 48 or 96. And by the way, do you know that Rush will be releasing 128 kilohertz ESC soon? I hope I will get my hands on the sample of that. So I will just now disable variable PWM on all of my builds. Yeah, that's all for today. Ciao.